Ever wondered who's the mastermind behind the global financial platform, Airwallex? Airwallex, the fintech unicorn that's revolutionizing cross-border payments, isn't just a tech company. It's the brainchild of a group of visionaries who saw a gap in the traditional financial system and dared to innovate. The founding story. It all began in 2015, when a group of tech-savvy entrepreneurs, led by Jack Zhang, came together with a shared vision to simplify international transactions. Frustrated by the complexities and high fees associated with traditional banking methods, they set out to create a solution that would empower businesses to operate seamlessly across borders. The team behind the magic. Jack Zhang, the visionary CEO and co-founder. Jack Zhang is a serial entrepreneur with a passion for technology and finance. His leadership and strategic thinking have been instrumental in shaping Airwallex's rapid growth. Luke Zhang, as the co-founder and COO, Luke Zhang brings a wealth of experience in operations and finance. His expertise has been crucial in building Airwallex's robust infrastructure and ensuring smooth operations. Max Lee, the co-founder and CTO. Max Lee is a tech genius who has played a pivotal role in developing Airwallex's cutting-edge technology platform. His innovative solutions have enabled the company to offer a seamless user experience. The Airwallex advantage. Airwallex's success can be attributed to several key factors. Innovative technology. The company leverages advanced technology to streamline payment processes, reduce costs, and enhance security. Global reach. Airwallex operates in multiple countries, providing businesses with access to a wide range of financial services. Customer-centric approach. The company prioritizes customer needs and offers personalized solutions to meet their specific requirements. Strong partnerships. Airwallex has forged strategic partnerships with leading financial institutions and technology providers to strengthen its position in the market. The future of Airwallex. As Airwallex continues to grow and expand its services, it remains committed to its mission of empowering businesses to succeed on the global stage. With a talented team, cutting-edge technology, and a strong focus on customer satisfaction, Airwallex is poised to shape the future of international finance. So, the next time you make a seamless cross-border payment or utilize a convenient financial solution, remember the brilliant minds behind Airwallex. Their dedication to innovation and their relentless pursuit of excellence have made it possible to revolutionize the way we conduct business globally. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.